Make one egg render for everyone in your house. In a skillet, add an egg over the yolk and I place a glass with the rest of the egg white. Start beating with an electric mixer until the egg white is snowy. Remembering to do this with the fire out. When it starts to get like this, it's getting to the point of our clear. Let's turn off the mixer and turn the heat on low. With the help of a spatula, peel the white from the sides of the cup and pan. When the glass starts to fog up, just give it a slight twist and you can remove it from the pan. To season, I use black pepper to taste. A little salt to taste too. The egg point is your preference with the softer or harder yolk. Mine is already perfect. Now it's just a matter of unglue it from the bottom of the pan and turn the pan on its own lid. And from the lid, just move it to a plate. Look at the size of this egg. It's better known as egg cloud. It looks amazing, super fast and easy to do. It's an egg that yields a lot. It looks like a 3-egg omelette. I hope you enjoyed. Do it at your house that I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next one, and thanks for watching.